Breathing is the process of moving air into and out of the lungs in a rhythmic pattern. Each time we inhale, oxygen is drawn from the outside environment to the lungs, then into the bloodstream. When we exhale, the process is reversed. Carbon dioxide, which enters the lungs from the bloodstream, is discharged to the external environment. The process is called gas exchange, and it occurs deep within the lungs, at the very ends of the airways within tiny air sacs called alveoli. There are millions of alveoli in the lungs. Each time we breathe, it is the alveoli that inflate and deflate, making the lungs expand and contract. The alveoli are surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries, which allows the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen moves into the alveoli at high concentrations, diffuses through a thin layer called a respiratory membrane, and is directed out of the lungs. This membrane, only 1/10,000th of a centimeter thick, is shared by the alveoli and the capillary, making gas exchange possible. Blood entering the lung through the capillary is high in carbon dioxide, which also diffuses over the respiratory membrane because of a high concentration in the capillary. During exhalation, the carbon dioxide in the alveoli gets expelled from the lungs to the outside environment.